Hey guys, today we have some paint here, and these are 24 color fabric paint set, and there's 24 colors as I said. This is perfect for fabric, shoes, clothes, anything with fabric basically, to make little characters, decorate your own shoes, clothes, anything. You can actually use them to have a little decoration, as there's a trend going around where you can decorate your shoes to have little characters, designs, anything that you like. These are perfect for that. So let's open it up and see what they look like. Inside the box, it comes with some sort of catalog for the brand. And there are really pretty 24 colors. I can really see from the box how they're nicely into a rainbow color. And yeah, let's try some products. We'll try it on products and see how they come out in the end. But yeah, these are all the colors. They look really pretty, a really good rainbow colory vibe. So
Alright, here's the final product. Simple. We've did Kelvin and Hobbs, 2 shoes, but use the paint. It's a little glossy. We're gonna cover it. We're gonna paint a glossy area so we could cover. But it looks well. So if you guys are looking for paint for your fabrics, they're perfect.